Hello mga friendship! It's me, Inday Eva. Welcome back to my channel! Gulat siya! For today's video, guys! I have here crazy chocolate kunafa. Hatag din sa akong friend. Shout out, Kitlin. Para matry na to ning iyahang kuan kunafa chocolate. Nga trending ni siya sa Dubai. But this is from Crazy Choco. Okay? Let's try this one. Let's open. Woo! Excited na ba kayo? Excited na ba kayong kumain? Lo, di maabri, daray. Make sure that this is kunafa. Thank you, Kitlin. Love mo ko. Let's open the kunafa chocolate. And everyone is excited. Wow, look at that. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, see? This is from Choco. Tapos, ganyan daw to. Ganyan, oh. Ganyan. Let's see. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Wow. You want to try? This is kunafa. Dada, you want to try? So this is it, panzit. Let's try. This is kunafa. Lami. Kakaibang klaseng chocolate. Kunafa. Okay, try and review. Where's Dubi? And let's compare to the other ano. Kakaiba. Chocolate.
Kasi kaya namin itong magbuto sa ibang baba.
Makanon siguro ni.
Yung sila, wala lami-lami, ma'am.
But this is from ano? Crazy Choco. Iba-iba man. So, we'll try next time sa kuan. Katong trending nila nga kuan. Katong trending jud nga brand. Pero lami man. Nami mang butuan ning atong baba. Huwag na yung mga rice. Rice ni guys. Lami. Thank you, amiga. Thank you. Thank you, amiga. At nakatilaw menik eh. Super expensive ya online, no? Tagkuan siya. 60 dirham. So, total niya mga 70 dirham siguro imong bayadon. Kaya ang imong delivery charge pa. So, thank you for watching. And shout out to my amiga, Kitlin. At saka shout out to Crazy Choco. Thank you for this one. And more. More Choco Crazy. Nasila'y daghang kuan, nasila'y fudge, nasila'y brownies. Thank you for watching. Bye!